In today's fast-paced manufacturing environment, efficiency is key. And when it comes to our knitting operations, reducing wasted energy can make a huge impact. Our knitting operation currently runs 6 units with a total of 214 knitting machines. However, 71 of these machines are facing significant air leakage. This results in an estimated daily air loss of 2,500 to 3,000 pounds of compressed air. The consequence? A daily energy cost of 7,200 taka, adding up to roughly 216,000 taka each month. By addressing these leaks, we can drastically reduce compressed air consumption, leading to both lower operational costs and increased machine efficiency. Our recommendation is simple: implement a systematic inspection and maintenance program. This includes identifying and repairing leaks, regularly monitoring compressed air usage, and training operators to spot early signs of air loss. These steps will help us achieve measurable savings and improve overall sustainability. With the right approach, we can cut costs, boost performance, and create a more energy-efficient operation. Let's take action and turn these opportunities into results.